to sit here and draw a superhero.
Yeah, we're going to draw Earth Day superhero. We're going to make him up. He has a big head, that's the Earth, and then a big powerful body.
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You also need some
Paper and something to go with.
Yep, I already said the coloring part.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay. Because we're using markers to color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. That helps keep our markers lasting longer. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first start by drawing a big circle for our superhero's head. Well, that's the Earth. We're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper, and I really like practicing drawing our circles without a template, but if you want to draw a perfect circle, you could use something to trace around, like a bowl or a cup. Good job. Look at that. You did awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's draw the eyes for our superhero, or the Earth. We're going to start, let's actually start with the mouth. I'm going to start right here and draw a straight line right in the middle. And then we're going to draw a big, happy face or smile. And then let's draw teeth and a tongue down at the bottom. Oh, and we can color in this middle shape. Anytime we fast forward, remember you can pause the video for extra time. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle over here on the left and the same size circle on the right. Now when we're drawing the face, you can also change your face any way you want. You could add different type of eyes. You could draw different shapes. You could maybe draw them angry, or maybe they're closed because he's so happy.
Oh, yeah.
Or her. Let's color in the big circle, just like you're doing, but leave that little circle white. I'm going to change my superhero into a girl superhero because of Mother Nature, right? So I'm adding eyelashes, but you can change your drawing any way you want. You could also leave those off. You could add different things too. Okay, now let's draw the continents or the land and also the water. We're going to just draw wiggly lines and make it kind of look like it represents the Earth. It doesn't have to look exactly like the Earth. Yeah. I'm going to draw a wiggly line here, and then maybe we're going to go behind the eye. We'll come down further. I'm going to come back up and maybe connect over here. And then, let's see, I'm going to come back this way, and then we'll come back around and up. Yeah, my Earth is definitely different than our Earth. Yeah. I'm going to draw a wiggly line here.
Maybe it's the aliens' Earth.
Oh, maybe. I'm going to also draw a little line down here. All right, we did it. Now let's turn our Earth into a superhero. I'm going to draw 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the Earth. And then we can draw a line coming across to connect. And also, I'm going to add another line for the superhero belt. And let's also draw 2 lines down for the belt buckle. Oh, we could add another line too for the utility belt.
Yeah.
Oh, and maybe for the center of mine, I'm going to add a heart. If you want, you could add a heart or a different shape, but that's going to be part of my superhero's costume. Oh, I like that you're adding it too. Now let's draw the legs. I'm going to draw my Earth in a superhero power stance. I'm going to draw the lines coming out to the side. And then we're going to draw the legs. I'm going to draw a line that starts close for the ankles. We're going to come up, and then we're going to come back down. Yes, that is a strong power stance. Oh, I like that you connected. That's okay. Go ahead and connect here in the middle.
Oopsie.
Yeah, no worries. I think that looks awesome. You could also just draw the line straight down here and have a different design for the boots. Yes, that looks really cool. And you could also add a line on the other side for the other boot. Now let's draw the feet. I'm going to draw a curve coming out for the toes. I love that you can add different designs to your shape. I'm going to draw the bottom of my feet and then connect in. I'm going to add boots too. Maybe my boots are, they're pointed right here and come down on each side. Now let's add the arms, and we're going to draw them resting on the hips. So I'm going to draw a sideways V that comes down and connects to the belt. And I'm going to draw that same sideways V on the other side to match. Then let's draw the inside of the line, or the inside of the arm. We're going to come out to the elbow. We're going to start coming close like we're going to connect, but then right here, I'm going to draw a little curve coming up. Yes, let's do the same thing on the other side for the other arm and come up. Cool. Now you can add these two little lines for the gloves, or you can change your gloves any way you want. You could add different designs, just like you did for the boots. Oh, I'm going to add another line down here so that the gloves and the boots kind of match. What is our superhero missing?
A cape.
A cape, yeah. Let's draw it coming down from maybe the side of the head, so it's a little bit bigger. We're going to draw it coming out on each side. And then let's draw another curve coming down a little further on each side. Then we're going to draw a curve coming up on each side also. And then let's draw the inside of the cape. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a wavy line that connects to the leg. Let's do that same wavy line here also, connects to the leg. And then we'll imagine the wave coming through and between or behind the legs. We finished drawing our Super Earth, or our Earth Day superhero. We're not completely done though.
We still need to color it.
Yes, this is my favorite part. We are gonna fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah. Give me 5, Dad. You did a great job on your drawing.
You did a great job too, Austin.
Thank you.
I love drawing with you, and I love how your drawing turned out. You did a great job, and it looks so much better colored in.
Yeah. I hope our friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, and you can also add extra things. We added clouds, and I also added a little speech bubble with a heart.
You can also change the colors any way you want.
Yeah, and we used our Art for Kids Hub markers like we mentioned. If you have the same set, we used 66 blue and 46 green. We also used 2 reds, a light red and a dark red. The dark red was for the inside, 15 was the regular red, and what was the dark red?
5.
Yeah, number 5. We also used 88 pink, and we used CG1 for the shadow underneath our superhero.
And don't forget yellow 35.
Yeah, we used that for the belt.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Super Earth.
We do, and we hope you take extra time to add more things to your drawing, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.